Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing my 10-inch bookshelf speakers. This is a 10-inch sub, that's a 6-inch mid-range, and that's a tweeter. Don't mind the pushed-in dust cap. I got two of them. There's another one over here in the corner, and as you can see, that one's the left one, that one's the right one. Put the tweeter on the right side, tweeter on the left. I did this all yesterday. I actually ported the box, I put that in, and then I just moved the tweeter over. And that sub, that's the same stock sub that came with it. So hopefully one of these days I'll end up upgrading it. But the song I will be using is Adventure. This is recorded on iPhone 6s, so any distortion would be from the mic. These speakers sound good, so let's get a good sound test. That's where it's at on my system. Alright, that basically concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, these are the mic. It's not this. These speakers aren't distorting. They're not bottoming out. They sound clear. So any weird sounds that you might have heard was from the mic on my phone. And my mic, it has like this protective thing on it. I'm not sure what it is, but when like heavy bass hits, you don't really hear the bass that good. It just like quiets everything down a little bit. So if that happens, then don't mind that. That's just the mic protecting from distortion, you know, so it makes it sound better. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.